I was sent this curling irons cranked up to 430 degrees. It gets hot fast. Actually, this part even gets a little bit warm too, so just know that, but not too hot to hold. And then this is the on-off button. Clamp is super easy to use. The colors on it are absolutely stunning. So let's put a few curls in. So you just clamp it down, and now I have a lot of layers in my hair, so what I'm doing is going to the bottom of the layer, and I'm just wrapping it up. We'll leave this front one out for now. We'll hold that for a few seconds and then curl out. And what's nice is this can give you those really big beachy waves, those thicker curls if you wanted to just curl the ends of your hair. So if you want to do like a thicker piece and then just kind of flip it, you could do something more along this line. Watch what will happen here. So that would just kind of give it a flip out. So you have your choice of what kind of curls you want to do. If you want to tousle it all together and just make some really pretty beachy waves, that's an option as well. Or if you just want those face framing layers, you can kind of curl it in that way. If you wanted a really, really tight curl using this bigger style, you just want to use a smaller piece then and then wrap it up. So this would give it a little more of that ringlet style for you. Let's see how that looks. And I'm not holding it too long because it is on really, really hot, but you get these perfectly beautiful curls. So just a lovely curling iron, especially if you want those bigger, wavier pieces where you just want to flip your ends out. I think you're gonna love it.